Built in 1941, Big Boy 4014 hauled over 1 million miles of freight across the Wasatch Mountains. The last engineer stepped out of this cab on July 21, 1959. No one has operated her since. 16 driving wheels, 6 to 8 inches in diameter, built to conquer mountains. Decades of exposure have taken their toll. But beneath this corrosion, she's still there. The famous Hancock whistle, silent for 6 decades. Soon, she'll sing again. Union Pacific's Heritage Fleet team accepted the impossible. Bring the Big Boy back to life. The firebox, the heart of any steam locomotive. Years of carbon and scale have built up inside. 259 tubes carry superheated steam. Every single one must be inspected. 4 cylinders generate 135,000 pounds of tractive effort. They need to be bored and restored.
The articulated frame, what makes a Big Boy possible, allowing this giant to bend around mountain curves.
Every bearing, every brass, every journal, all must be rebuilt or replaced.
The assessment is complete. Years of work lie ahead. But Union Pacific is committed. The Steam Shop in Cheyenne, Wyoming, one of the few places on Earth capable of this restoration. The first bolt. After nearly 6 years, she begins to come apart. Every component cataloged, every part documented. Nothing can be lost. Moving parts that haven't budged in decades, some weighing tens of thousands of pounds. Main rods, the arms that translated steam power into motion. Finally, free. The driving wheels, 68 inches of precision engineering. Each one must be rebuilt. These wheels were sent to Strasburg Railroad in Pennsylvania, one of the few shops capable of this work. New tires fitted, crank pins trued, decades of wear machined away to factory specifications. Complete disassembly, the boiler separated from the frame for the first time since 1941. Every tube cleaned, every flue inspected, the heart of the locomotive being renewed. A historic change, converting Big Boy from coal to oil, cleaner operation for the modern era.
The first Big Boy to successfully run on oil since 1948. History being made at every step.
New parts fabricated by hand, using the same techniques from the 1940s, with modern precision.
Check valves, lubricators, seals. Some parts don't exist anymore. They had to be made from scratch.
Sandblasted to bare metal, decades of corrosion removed, ready for new protection. Layer by layer, Big Boy 4014 begins to emerge from the past. The wheels return, months of precision work complete, stronger than when they left the factory. Each wheel must align within thousandths of an inch, precision that allows a 1 million-pound machine to roll.
16 wheels, 8 on each engine. The Big Boy beginning to look like herself again.
The main rods reconnected, translating steam pressure back into the motion that moved mountains.
She can roll again. For the first time in years, these wheels could turn.
The moment of reunion, the heart returning to the body. 70 tons suspended in air.
Millimeter by millimeter. A 70-ton puzzle piece finding its place.
Together again, Big Boy 4014 is whole once more.
Miles of piping reconnected, steam, water, Lubricant, the circulatory system of a giant. The feed water heater, pre-warming water for the boiler. Efficiency designed in 1941, restored today.
The same controls, restored to life.
300 pounds per square inch, the pressure that powers a big boy. These gauges must be perfect. Modern safety technology meeting 1940s engineering. The first steam locomotive with positive train control.
Final preparations. Years of work about to be revealed in Union Pacific's historic livery. Union Pacific Black, the color of American railroading history. 4014, the numbers that identify a legend, applied by hand as they were in 1941. Union Pacific. Two words that have defined American railroads since 1862. The Hancock Whistle. Soon to announce Big Boy's return to the living.
After years of work, she's whole. She's beautiful.
February 2019. The hydrostatic test. The boiler must prove it can handle the pressure.
Pressure climbing, past 200, 250, 300 pounds per square inch.
The boiler holds.
April 9th, 2019, the first fire in 6 years. Big Boy 4014 begins to breathe.
Steam, the first breath of life. Big Boy is waking up.
May 1st, 2019, 9 p.m.
The night Big Boy moved under its own power.
Movement for the first time in 6 years. Big Boy 4014 lives again.
May 2nd, 2019, the first test run, Cheyenne to Nunn, Colorado. She runs perfectly. Joined by sister locomotive 844, traveling to Ogden for the 150th anniversary of the Transcontinental Railroad.
Thousands gathered to welcome her home. Big Boy 4014, alive, running, a legend restored.
From silent giant to living legend. The same locomotive, transformed. Back where she belongs, conquering the mountains she was built to master.
The same 16 wheels, now turning again. 1 million miles behind her, many more to come.
Through the same canyons she traveled in the 1940s. History, alive and breathing.
She runs by day and night. A fire-breathing giant, reclaimed from silence. For the first time in 6 years, someone commands Big Boy 4014.
Thousands come to see her, to hear her, to experience a living legend. A new generation meets the past. Big Boy 4014 connects us all.
133 feet, 1.2 million pounds, the world's largest operating steam locomotive.
Dead giant brought back to life. Big Boy 4014,
Restored.
running, legendary.